to go about solving these inequality questions. So the first question says -1 less than or equal to x, then x less than 4. It says write down the possible values of x. Now, the instruction here says -1 can be equal to x and can be less than x. So x can be -1, but x must be less than 3. Okay, so we can have a 0, we can have a 1 and 2 and 3, but not 4. Is that clear?
Yeah.
So -1 is included because it says or equal to. Okay,
Okay.
now this will be the first condition. Now to the second one, number 2, it says
Yeah.
x is an integer. Write down the possible value of x for 2 less than or equal to x, then x less than or equal to 8. For this one, 2 is included and 8 is included because of the equal signs. Okay,
Okay.
so x can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5, can be 6, can be 7, and can be 8 because x can be 8 or less than 8. So these numbers are less than 8. Is that clear?
Yeah.
And 2 might be less than x. So x cannot be 1. Okay?
Okay.
So if 2 will be smaller than x, then x cannot be 1. And 2 may be equal to x. That's why 2 is included in this one. Then the next one, number 3, we have -7 less than x, then x less than or equal to -4. For this one, we have -7 is less than x. That means -7 can never be x. Is that clear?
Yeah.
So we now have, starting from -6, -5, -4, because x can also be -4 based on equal to. Okay,
Okay.
good. Then the next one, which is number 4, this one is number 3. So number 4 says write down the possible values of x for 4 is less than x and x itself is less than 9. So 4 cannot be x. We can have 5, 6, 7, and 8. Not even 9 because x is smaller than 9. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Before you put down all this, I'm going to move to the next page and solve the next one with you. So n is a whole number. 2n is greater than 20. 5n is less than 60. What is n? Okay, look at this. It says that's number 5. It says 2n is greater than 20 and 5n is less than 60. Then we should find the value of n. Now, from the first expression, we can separate these expressions. From the first expression, we have 2n is greater than 20. Then n can be, if you divide both sides by 2, okay? Then we can say n can be greater than 10 because 2 is going to cancel 2. Is that clear?
Yeah.
When 2 cancels 2 here, we have only n remaining. Then 20 divided by 10 is 2. So n is greater than 10. N cannot be 10. N can be numbers greater than 10. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Good. Then from the second expression, if you divide by 5 to find your n, so this cancels this. Then you have n less than, what is 60 over 5? That is 12. n is less than 12. Okay?
Okay.
So if n is greater than 10, what are the numbers greater than 10? That's 11 and 12 and so on. But n is less than 12, right?
Yeah.
Then what is n?
11.
11. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Based on the two expressions, so this is our n. Then we say n equal 11 because n must be greater than 10, n must be less than 12. So the only number that's greater than 10 and less than 12 is
It's
11.
11.
Yeah. So number 6. We want to solve this inequality 3x minus 3 less than 9. When you have this kind of inequality expression, you just have to solve it like you're solving normal equation. This negative 3 will go and meet positive 9. So the negative 3 will become positive. Is that clear?
Yeah.
3x less than 9 plus 12. So 3x, I mean 9 plus 3, not 9 plus 12, okay?
Yeah.
So 3x now less than 12. Then you divide both sides by 3, okay? So x is less than 4. That is the solution to this inequality. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, number 7. I have 5x plus 2 less than 32. The same way, this 2 is going to meet 32 and it will become negative, okay? Because it's positive. So 5x less than 32 minus 2. So 5x is going to be less than 30, right? Where did I get 30 from? That is 32 minus 2. Is that clear?
Yeah.
So then I divide both side by 5, divide both side by 5. So we can say x is less than 6. Okay,
Yeah.
good. Then the next one, number 8, we have 4x minus 1 greater than or equal to 15. Again, you solve it, you take the 1 to make the 15 because it doesn't have any alphabet. So 4x greater than or equal to 15 plus 1. Do you understand?
Yeah.
So 4x greater than or equal to 16. Then you divide both sides by what? Divide both sides by what? 4.
1.
4.
What?
4. So
Oh.
16 over 4 is 4. So let me move to the I think the last page or so. 4. Now, looking at this number 9, we have x over 3 minus 2 less than 4. So again, you move your 2 to meet the 4, it becomes positive 2. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Less than 4 plus 2. Then x over 3 is now less than 6. Okay?
Okay.
Then you cross multiply or you multiply both sides by 3. So this times 3 and this times 3. Okay?
Okay.
Then 3 cancels 3 on the left side. Is that clear?
Yeah.
3 eliminates 3. And you have x less than 18 because 6 times 3 is 18. Then number 10, we have 31 less than 3x plus 4. Okay, we can move the number to meet the other number. It becomes negative 4. So we have 31 minus 4 less than 3x. Then, what is 31 minus 4? What is 31 minus 4? What is 31 minus 4, Kieran?
Hello?
What is 31 minus 4?
Hello?
Yeah, can you hear me? What is 31 minus 4?
Yeah. Okay, you know, what'd you say?
What is 31 minus 4?
Oh, yeah. 27.
27 less than 3x. So you divide both sides by 3, okay?
Okay.
So this divided by 3, divided
It's
by
9.
3, 3 will cancel 3, then you have 9 less than x, which means x is greater than 9, okay?
Okay.
So if 9 is less than x, it means x. Then number 11, we have 3 into the bracket of x plus 1 less than 18. The first thing to do here is to open the bracket. That's 3x plus 3 less than 18. Then you move the 3 to meet the 18. Is that clear?
Yeah.
It becomes a negative 3. And you have 3x less than 18 minus 3. Okay? Then 3x less than 15. So what do I do next? Divide both side by what?
515.
No, 3. The number beside the letter. Okay?
Okay.
So we have x less than 5. And this becomes the solution. So I'm going to give some time to figure out and put down the whole details. Okay?
Okay.